Welcome, Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. I used copper pipe in some of my stained glass designs, so today I'm going to show you how to cut a copper pipe. All you need is a tube cutter, aka pipe cutter. Here are a couple of different kinds. This one is from Rigid, and then a smaller one from Brasscraft. All cutters are basically the same. They have a cutting wheel and a cradle that holds the pipe. In most cases, the cradle is a set of rollers. This is a 1/2-inch pipe. I've marked it where I want to cut it. So I'm going to set the pipe into my cutter, slowly tighten down the wheel until it engages my mark. Now you don't want to over tighten the cutter because you can distort your pipe. Once it's in there, and I'm going to hold it here so you can see it, I would rotate the cutter normally, but I'm going to rotate the pipe until we get a continuous line. Next, rotate the knob an 1/8 to a 1/4 inch turn. Rotate around, tighten, rotate, or in most cases you'll want to rotate the cutter around the pipe until it goes freely. Tighten, rotate, repeat. This will produce the break in your pipe. Now, plumber's pipe cutters are equipped with a small blade on the inside, and that's to clean the burrs out of the inside of the pipe. I don't use it, thought I'd show it to you. Okay. Next, the same process applies to our kind of mini cutter. I'm going to place the pipe into the cradle. Going to tighten it down until I make contact with the wheel, making sure that it's resting evenly in the cradle. Then we're going to turn the cutter, tighten, turn, repeat. Same process, and you will have the same results. That's how to cut a copper pipe. Now, I've been playing with using copper in some of the fusing glass works that I do. In this particular case, I want to show you something I've been working on, which is fusing a piece of copper pipe into the glass. This is System 96 glass, and as you'll see, I've ended up with a very nice little donut. Trying to come up with a new way to create hanging infused glass, a hanging hole, without having to drill. Hope this video was helpful. The tools shown in this video are available by the links below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.